Hello everyone, welcome back to Sin's Life. Now today I am in a different setting because I decided to do this segment to where I come to my sister's house and I try a bit of her makeup just to get into her makeup collection a little bit. So I am going to be doing this look right here that you see, but I didn't do the whole face. I did a side of the face just so I could see what I worked with, and then I went on doing the video. So you will see me with half of my face done already and then half of the other face waiting to be glammed up. So here's the final look. I mean, it came out so nice, you guys, and I'm so proud of my sister for having a collection that she has because she made me beautiful today. Alright, so without further ado, let's get into the video. So, starting off with MAC's Prep and Prime. So, after we've applied that, we're going to go into the eyes. It has this $1 billion brows. Looks like this. It comes with a brush and a spoolie. And it says $1 billion brows in the color brown butter. Okay, sis, I see you perfecting my brows with your brow products, because you already know. It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye. On to the eyelids, the base by Lara Bingle, and this is in the color beige, so it doesn't look like it's adding any tint. It didn't look like it when I was applying the other one. Now since it is a little tacky and it feels like eyeshadow is able to stick to it good enough, I'm going to go in with the eyeshadow. I'm taking the Luminate by Ashley Tisdale palette. A lot of nice colors on here, and they have the names, so yay for that. Starting off with the color Dusk, which is right here, Fixante concealer buffer, but today I'm going to use it as a blending brush for my eyes. Using the same brush, I'm gonna go in with this more darker color, darker brown color right there, and that is the color After Dark. Using the same brush and keep it more where the crease is at. Just like that. We're gonna take the color, it's called Paper Tiger by ColourPop, a much smaller blending brush. Jump right into the base of the look, which is this. I'm just going to go back in with the Bye Bye by It concealer. Dabbing it right on my eyelid. Don't worry if you don't get that like you should in the beginning. It's alright. We all mess up. We can just go back in with that deep brown color that we used in there. We're going to set that concealer, this Twilight color, in the palette. It's right here. Moving on to to the most important part about this look is the eyelid color right here, the Lime Crime Diamond Crusher. This is in the color Lit. So I'm gonna start by just simply applying it on my lid. We're going to move on to the eyeliner part. This is the Fierce Flics eyeliner. Wow, sis. Yeah, I'm not feeling this eyeliner that she has, so I'm going to try to stay using this other one. It's called Eiko London. It's a liquid eyeliner in black. That's it for eyeliner. Moving on. Alright, so that's it for the eyes. Basically, I am going to go over it with mascara. Now, I'm going to be adding something to the skin to make it luminous. Pretty cool Mary-Dew Manizer. I'm going to be using the Fit Me in the color 10 Light Legger. Going in with the Wet n Wild contour stick. I'm going to contour it up first. Using an angled fluffy. Beige by the brand L'Oreal Paris True Match Foundation, the Wet n Wild Precision Foundation Brush. And with the foundation, I'm going to set my whole face. Poudre Fixante Banana. Yeah, so it's banana setting powder. Taking a nice little fluffy brush. I'm gonna leave that at that. Will give me time to put the mascara on. I believe it's from the brand Tarte, but I'm not too sure what kind of mascara this is from Tarte. So this is just a Tarte mascara. Now I'm going to take off that powder. Kind of angled brush and dabbing that into this Lychee Plus Gold Healthy Glow Rose Gold blush, and it just looks like this. going to be moving on to the highlighter, Ciate London. I think I'm saying that right, and it's the Glow-to highlighter. This is really nice and shimmery. Very beautiful highlighting. Super Stay matte ink. Now these are really super stay. So she has two colors, one in 65 Seductress and one in 60 Poet. One is a little bit muted than the other one. I'm going to start by applying this one and then go on and apply this one. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe. Stay tuned because I will be putting out way more content, so please trust the process.